Hello, welcome to Bildigo. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the basics of using our software to create your stunningly architecture presentations board, from importing files, scaling, and stylization it. We will cover it all. And let's get started. First, let's get familiar with the interface here in Bildigo. After logging in, you can find the main dashboard when you can find your project, draft, library, and font. The files are arranged into projects, and each project can have multiple files. When you open a file, you will find the editor, which is arranged in four main sections. The first one, you can find it in the top of the editor, which is the main toolbar, and it has the selection tool, the magic wand tool, the boards tool, and the basic functionality of drawing, typing, and importing files, as well as the pen tool and the roller for scaling. You will find on the left your layers and pages, and the tab for assets that has some styles and components that can be shared between projects. On the right side of the editor, you can find the Property tab, as well as the Styles tab, which we will dive deep into it. Let's import a file. Bildigo supports most of the common formats that architectures use. You can import your PDF files, your DWG files, your SVG files, Illustrator, and the images format files. Simply, you can click on the importing icon here and select the file and wait for it to be loaded. Another way to import the file is simply by just dragging and dropping the file into Bildigo. After importing the file, we will use the scaling functionality. Simply by clicking the ruler, select two known points on your drawings and put the real size measurement of this distance. Click on the check mark, and now you will have in the Property tab a scale measurement. You can adjust it anytime at any point of this project. So now it's 1 to 100, and I can simply change it to 1 to 200, which will scale it down to half. And all the measurements here in this plan from now on will be up to scale. To stylize the plan, head over to the Styles tab. Bildigo come with 5 defined styles. Each style is a palette of predefined 2D materials, defined using file, stroke, and effects like shadow and blur. To apply a style, use the magic wand tool to select an area, and then click on the material you want on the Styles tab. You can check out the other styles and change the whole style at any point, and the entire drawing will be updated accordingly. Additionally, if you modify a material at any extent, it will automatically reflect those changes across the whole drawing. That's an overall of Bildigo. We have covered importing files, scaling, and stylizing your drawings. We would love to see your creation, so share them with us. Thank you for watching and happy designing.